everyone, welcome back to my channel again, and for those who are first timer here in this channel, I am Joy or I am Mia, and I do YouTube videos just for fun or just to enjoy life here in YouTube. Yeah. And yeah, this is a video to explain to you guys, or this is an answer to the question why, where have you been, something like that. So yes, I've been out for about 2 or 3 weeks. Parang yung last na video ko ata is my April favorites. April, yes, I think so. I will just put the link down below if you want to check that out. And the reason why I was gone for 2 or 3 weeks because I spent my time together with my family kasi dumating yung papa ko, grandparents ko, and yung family ng tita ko, and parang first time namin makasama yung pinsan ko. No, it wasn't the first time, it was the second time na makasama namin yung pinsan ko after 17 long years. And yeah, of course, we made an effort to, you know, let her feel how Filipinos do the things here in the Philippines, although yun, parang hindi niya din enjoy kasi iba yung trip namin. So if you're following me in my Instagram, maybe you've seen a picture of me hiking. Yun yung dun sa North African Outdoor Adventure Hub that we did together with my siblings and together with Mac and Jonah and Jessa. So yes, so yun guys, actually I pre-filmed 4 videos I guess before I went to Ilocos, and I just didn't have the time to edit those and to upload because one reason I got sick. I catch a flu. I don't know, it's just maybe the stress, pagod, init, and a lot of stressors talaga. Sobrang na-stress ako, and ako man din na yung pag na-stress talaga ako, yung katawan ko bumabagsak. I mean, hindi, I'm not losing weight, but you know, nagkakasakit ako. It's either nagkaka-gastritis ako, nagkaka-flu ako, or nagkaka-cough ako. So, yes, that's a nurse. Madaling magkasakit. So, yun. Ano pa bang mga sasabihin ko? So, tsaka meron din akong class for 3 days, but those are not the reasons na ano, yun lang talaga. Hindi ako I failed to edit and upload videos. Tsaka yun, nagkasakit ako guys. And yeah, I got a new haircut. Stress talaga dahil nagpa-haircut pa. So yes, don't mind that. But I will be uploading some of the videos that I pre-filmed. So, wag na kayo magtaka kung mahaba yung hair ko dun. So, yeah. And, of course, I will also do an Ask Mia, or tell me how to make a title about that. It's just a Q&A. So, please leave your questions down below if you want your questions to be featured in my next Q&A. Actually, may mga ibang nag-send din ng questions before, and I will also include those questions. And yung mga magtatanong, again, down below, please do it. If you want to know more about me, or, you know, things here in YouTube, or anything under the sun. So yeah, I hope I can get back to my track on sa pag-upload ko, kasi I do usually upload every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, but yeah, I failed to upload during those days sa mga nakaraang 2 or 3 weeks. So yeah, babawi ako sa inyo guys, sunod-sunod. Hopefully, sunod-sunod ang pag-upload ngayon kapag hindi nag-lock ang internet. So yes, I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you will stick around, and I hope you will subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and please like this video if you want to see me in my next video. Ang weird lang. So yeah, just follow me on my Instagram and like my Facebook page, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!